Oh my god, where do I begin? And freaking yes, I have a new voice. So today's goals are everything you see here. To fix the resolution for the mobile, to fix gameplay mechanics and test freaking everything on the damn phone. I could do it in a day, but it took me 3 days because I couldn't figure it out. Because I was lazy, procrastinating, and everything set unacceptably. But I somehow managed to get up and fix those things. Now, this shitty game is playable on the phone. Well, at least it is properly playable. This video will be short because I spent way too much time contemplating, and crying. I almost gave up, but then I realized something painful. This game won't be perfect because it's going to be 50% shit. So deal with it. Well, I need to deal with it. Fix this nonsense and move forward. So this is how the game played before, very classic, keyboard controls, and everything PC friendly. I thought that this couldn't be a challenge, and everything would go smoothly. But I was wrong. I met a lot of new problems. I'm not even sure if this will work when everything finishes. But I'm positive that I will push forward. Let me tell you about those stupid problems. The biggest one was that I needed to change almost every single thing, and rewrite 30% of my code for everything to work entirely. And I didn't know that user interface could be such enormous pain in the ass when Android or iOS are involved. And I needed to change scaling on every single thing, but somehow, everything, in the end, worked. I think the biggest frustration was player movement, basic and whole freaking player experience. I thought I ruined it with touch controls. I thought I failed. But after my brain worked to his maximum capacity, and after fully watched hours of acceptable but, for my case, unacceptable YouTube tutorials, it hopefully, and finally, threw up this code. And at what you're looking at it functioning in chill working C# code. I wrote a lot, but this one is the simplest and the only one I could understand so far. So let me demonstrate what this code and new shit show doing have done to my game. The left side is recording from Unity, and the right one is from my phone. That's why it looks a little bit cranky. L means for left, and R means for right, and P means like power ability, slowing time ability. For now, I'm stuck with this setup. But let me tell you, it freaking works. For now, it's alright, but I prefer some drag and touch methods for this game, but this one is fine, I guess. It was my first time doing it, so it's okay. And honestly, I think it will stand hard when waves start hitting. I will, definitely in the future, polish it up, but most importantly, I'm done with 60% of technical nerdy stuff, because the next goal will be all about graphics. So please, gods of C# and shitty art, be merciful, I plead, for mercy. Mercy.
No.